Talking Drawing. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to draw and color a cute puppy. I start to draw his eyes, his nose, and his mouth with his tongue out. Then I draw his head with his 2 ears. Peekaboo! Hello! Now I draw your body. Oh, you have a nice collar.
Thanks.
I draw your 4 legs. Oh, sweetie, why are you crying?
Because I'm not colorful.
Don't worry, I'm going to color you right away.
Yeah, okay.
Close your eyes, please. I color them red. I use light red for your tongue. Your ears are going to be orange. I use yellow on your back. For your collar, I use green, purple, and pink. This patch is going to be blue. How about brown for the rest of your furry body?
Awesome! I'm so colorful now.
Wow, you're going to be a rainbow doggy.
Thanks.
Ooh, come here. You are so cute. I love you, doggy.
Hey.
See you. Bye-bye.
Who turned off the light?